Hi guys, today's my birthday and I'm turning 7.
Happy birthday, Chloe. Carson, did you want to say hi? Yeah. And whose birthday was it the other day? Who are we also celebrating? So we're also celebrating this little man. How old are you? 5 years old.
But it's not his real birthday.
Yeah.
We're celebrating it and we're having a drive-by today.
Yeah, because why?
Because the virus.
I know, it's still around. So we are having a drive-by birthday party for Carson and Chloe today. We're gonna do a vlog today, okay?
Yeah.
And show everyone, all your friends that come drive by and honk and all that fun stuff, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, but Cooper, we surprised Cooper with a treat.
All right, Chloe, show us what we got for your breakfast song.
A 7.
And what kind of donut is it?
A zombie donut and it's chocolate and here's green inside.
Zombie blood inside? Yum. Happy birthday, zombie.
I'm not zombie.
You aren't? Alright guys, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Woo! 7 blows. Yeah. Woo! What'd you wish for?
I can't tell you.
Oh, dang it. I almost got you. Okay, let's check out this organic donut. GMO free. No artificial dyes or anything. Look at that. I just want to show everyone. I don't know if it's showing up or not, but that non-artificial coloring inside make your poop green. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Your first poop will be green. Yuck. Here they come, guys. Are you excited?
Yes. Yes. I'm excited.
Happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy birthday, Chloe.
Carson. They're coming this way. You gotta look.
There's Sal. Woo! Happy birthday. Go get your present, guys. Carson, go grab it. Oh geez, look at the car, guys. I like that one. Happy birthday. Carson, grab your present. Bye guys. Bye Ava. One more. Thank you. What do you say, Chloe? Wow, Chloe. And Carson. Carson. Yeah. Hi, Olivia. Cooper, look who's coming up next.
Are you excited?
Carter.
Or uncle. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Papa. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, you don't want to get run over. You don't want to get run over. Say hi. Hey guys, did you have a good parade?
Yeah.
It was a good parade, huh, Carter? You have fun? Carter, look at the camera. Look at the camera. We're gonna go open some presents now. You wanna go see what they got? Huh? Wanna see what they got? Why are you whining? Because you don't see mommy? God. Well, look, mommy's right here. On a scale of 1 to 10, how was your birthday parade?
I want to say hi.
Chloe.
Here's Carson.
It was good.
A 1 to 10. For a 10?
A 10.
Yeah?
How does he know where you
What do you
guys
wanna say,
live? Colton came to the birthday party, you guys, and we're gonna have Little Caesars.
You are?
Yeah, we are.
Nice.
Dad.
What is that?
A dog?
Oh, is it like a dog grooming salon?
Dog.
For your dolls.
Cool. A dog.
Oh.
Wait, Carson, what is this?
You got Mario Kart?
No, Mario.
Oh my god, Mario Mart.
No, Mario. What they do with them?
Fun, Carson. Ooh, a brown bag. What's in there?
What? What is it?
What'd you get in the brown bag? I can't wait to see it.
How? Oh, Grandma, I got these, but I don't
You want help?
Well, yeah, you have to.
You got it? Here, ask Uncle to help you.
Oops, sorry.
Here, Carson, don't you want to open it? Look inside.
Oh, isn't that
What is it?
Oh my gosh, that's cute.
Wow. A yo-yo. And a balloon. And
was there a card in there?
I think it's putty. Super fun.
Oh, okay. It's a new crash game.
Carson, who got you that?
The bird's right there.
Oh, from Nana? Carson.
Wow.
Oh my god, are you gonna play it today? What do you say to Nana? She watches this video. Say it to her. Look at the camera and say thank you. Thank you, Nana. What do you say?
Thank you, Nana. It says Willa.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Do you have a good birthday, Bear?
Yeah, it's so fun.
Look at all this stuff. We can cancel Christmas now.
Hey, look.
I know, that's so cute.
Salad. What are you having?
Pizza.
Yum. How's your pizza car?
Good.
Good. You actually eating the whole thing, not just the cheese? What do you want to say?
We're having pizza and breadstick from Little Caesars.
Yum.
These are cute.
Chloe, I can't believe you're 5
I'm not 5.
or 4.
7. Grandma,
7.
Cody put it on table. Oh, hi, you guys. So, today, you guys, it's Chloe's birthday. It's Chloe's birthday today, you guys. Let's sing happy birthday to her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Woo.
That one looks good. Who's guessing Cody?
We need to turn it.
Oh, you have to put it to me. No, don't blow it.
Okay, guys,
Oh,
let's sing in a second.
Here, Carson and Chloe need to switch.
No, Carly, don't touch the fire.
Thank you.
No, thanks. Don't touch the fire. I'll go to hospital.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe.
Carson.
Happy birthday to you.
He didn't. He just pretended.
She's so happy.
No, I'm not, you guys. He's a liar.
Ooh. How was your birthday?
Good.
Yeah? Did you have a fun birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favorite present?
The Mario Hot Wheels.
The Mario Hot Wheel from Colton's family? What do you say to them?
Thank you.
Say thanks, Colton. Thanks, Charlotte.
And I want to talk about the new Crash.
Oh my god, what game did you get?
Crash.
Crash 4 from Nana? Will you say thank you, Nana?
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah. Who would have thought in October we'd still be having to have a drive-by birthday party, huh?
Yeah.
With this darn virus, but you still had fun, right?
Yeah.
I actually think, do you like drive-by birthdays or regular birthdays better?
Drive-by.
Yeah, they're fun, aren't they? You get lots of gifts and you get to see people.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're fun. I think they're pretty fun. If you've had a drive-by birthday, comment below and let us know how it was. Especially if you have a video. Do you want to watch someone else's video?
Yeah.
Yeah? And we have Cooper's drive-by video, which you can watch. I'll link in the description, but super fun.
Yeah.
Hold out like this. Here, this will help you because you're short.
Okay.
Do it like that.
Okay.
Whoa, you got it?
Yep.
There you go. Now run around and talk to it.
Hello, you guys. So, it's not my birthday. I was celebrating it. And so, let's go here. And I have fun over the racetrack and Crash 4.
Ready? Here. Look, so you can hold it like way out like this. Say hi, guys. Whoa. Hi. All right, Coop, you gonna take us on a little ride?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Cooper. 3, 2, 1, go.
Watch out.
Go, bye.
So, thank you for everybody coming to my drive-by, and subscribe for more birthday videos. And subscribe for more birthday videos too. They're not nice. Bye. 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 I'll say bye. Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, guys.
Happy birthday.
And you're 6 today.
I'm not. I'm 7, you guys. He's a liar.